Friends, myself Harkesh Yadav, and I am going to tell you about luck. Luck is not enough. My dear friends, luck plays a great role in our lives, but wise people never depend upon luck alone. They do their duty whether luck favors them or not. Always remember, luck favors the brave and the industrious people. And friends, I am going to tell you a story which gives a sketch to the word, to the phrase, to the sentence luck. And luck is not enough. Friends, the story starts like this, that once upon a time there was a big pond on the outskirts of a village. The pond was full of fish. Many fish lived in that pond. Among all those fish, three were fast friends. They played together and lived happily. One evening the fish were playing merrily. Two fishermen were passing by that pond. When they saw the pond thriving with fish, they became very glad. "This pond is full of fish," they said to each other. "We have never caught fish here before. Let's come back here tomorrow morning with our nets and catch these fish. We will earn a good profit by selling them in the market." Saying so, the fishermen went away. When the eldest of the three friends heard this, he was afraid. He called his other two friends and said, "Did you hear what the fishermen said? They will come tomorrow morning and catch all of us. We must leave this pond at once, otherwise the fishermen will kill us all." The second friend was wise. He agreed to the suggestion of his friend and said, "You are right. They have already seen us. They will definitely come tomorrow and catch all of us. We must leave the pond at once, otherwise we will die." Friends, you are seeing here what kind of luck is going to be played here, the role of luck. But the youngest fish was haughty. He simply laughed and said, "You are worrying without reason. We have lived in this pond all our lives, and no fisherman has ever come here. Don't think that these men will return. I am not going to leave this pond. My luck will keep me safe." The eldest of the three friends left the pond that very evening with his family. The second fish also did so early next morning. When he saw the fisherman coming in the distance, but the third fish, who was haughty, refused to leave even then. Soon the fishermen arrived with their nets and cast them into the pond. All the fish left in the pond were caught. Luck did not help the third fish, and he too was caught along with the others.